Welcome to the $2.02 Meal Challenge. Eating on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing taste or nutrition. Let's start with breakfast. Meal: oatmeal with banana slices. Recipe: cook 1/2 cup oats with water, top with sliced banana. Cost: oats, 25 cents plus, banana, 15 cents equals 40 cents. Mid-morning snack. Snack: peanut butter toast. Recipe: 1 slice of bread with 1 tablespoon peanut butter. Cost: bread, 5 cents plus, peanut butter, 15 cents equals 20 cents. Lunch. Meal: rice and beans. Recipe: cook 1/2 cup rice, mix with 1/2 cup canned beans. Cost: rice, 50 cents plus, beans, 40 cents equals 90 cents. Afternoon snack. Snack: carrot sticks with hummus. Recipe: slice 2 carrots, dip in 2 tablespoons hummus. Cost: carrots, 15 cents plus, hummus, 25 cents equals 40 cents. Dinner. Meal: pasta with tomato sauce. Recipe: cook 1/2 cup pasta, top with 1/2 cup tomato sauce. Cost: pasta, 40 cents plus, tomato sauce, 30 cents equals 70 cents. Evening snack. Snack: apple slices. Recipe: slice 1 apple. Cost: apple, 40 cents. Eating on a budget is possible with simple, nutritious meals. Share your budget-friendly meal ideas in the comments. Thanks for joining the $2.02 Meal Challenge. Subscribe for more budget-friendly tips and recipes.